Welcome to the Ram Kids channel.
In a cheerful garden where colors danced, a little snail dreamed big. He gazed at the giant sunflower, wishing to touch the sky. And one sunny morning, he took a deep breath. Steps forward, he was ready to climb. A mischievous breeze swept by. Whoosh! Down he tumbled, dreams dashed in an instant. Gritting his tiny teeth, he tried to build a tower from pebbles. But oh, what a wobbly mess it became. Suddenly, wise eyes and a fluffy friend appeared. They saw his struggle and offered gentle words. With a renewed spirit, he turned toward the sunflower stem. One tiny step, then another. Up he went, savoring the sights around him. Flowers whispered, bees hummed, and joy wrapped around his heart. He stopped to marvel at a butterfly's dance, so graceful. His heart swelled with delight. Higher still, the world opened wide beneath him. Colors splashed like a painter's palette. At last, he reached the top, beaming with pride. The sky wrapped him in golden warmth. Below, his friends cheered loud and clear. They celebrated the little one's big dream. From his perch, he smiled. The journey had painted his heart with colors he'd never forget.
Thanks for watching Ram Kids channel. Don't forget to like, share it, and subscribe.